Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all good. So now everyone open page number 29. Yes, yesterday we have completed up to page number 28. So now open page number 29. Face value and place value. Okay, face value and place value. So we had already discussed about face value and place value in our basics class. Am I correct children? So first just I am giving small explanation what means face value. So face value means just value of the digit itself. Okay children, face value means value of the digit itself, and I said already. So just if we stand in front of mirror, your same face appear. So face value means wherever it's placed, just you have to write the same digit itself. Next, place value. Yes, what means place value? In place value, place is there, no children. So in place value, always depends its place. Okay, place value always depends its place. We have to check if the digit is in ones place or tens place, and then we have to write the place value. So first we are given pep activity. Here 2 chocolates vending machines. A coin put in the tens machine gives a packet of 10 chocolates, and a coin put in the ones machine gives 1 chocolate. Okay, here 2 machines are there children, 2 chocolates machines. One is tens machine and one is ones machine. Okay. So if a coin put in tens machine at a time, it gives 10 chocolates. Why? Because this is tens machine. No. Just if you put 1 coin inside, it gives 10 chocolates. So Raji put 5 coins in the tens machine and she got 5 packets of 10 chocolates. Okay. Raji put 5 coins. Okay. So if the tens machine give 5 packets of 10 chocolates. Okay, so 5 packets of 10 chocolates. Skip counting tens to find the number of chocolates Razi got. So at a time this mission gives 10 chocolates, no children. So Razi put 5 times. So skip count 10. So total 5 times, no. So each time give 10 chocolates. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so Razi got how many chocolates? 50 chocolates. Why? Because children here the tens machine give at a time 10 chocolates. So that's why 5 times, no. 5 times 50 chocolates. Next, Suja put 5 coins in ones machine and got 5 single chocolates. Okay, Suja got 5 coins and each at a time the ones machine give only 1 chocolate. No, ones machine give only 1 chocolate. So how many chocolates Suja got? 5 chocolates. Okay, how many chocolates Suja got? 5 chocolates. Okay, here Raji got 50 chocolates and Suja got 5 chocolates. So here did both of them get the same number of chocolates? No. You have to tick option no. Why? Discuss with your teacher. Why both of them did get same number of chocolates, children? Yes, here this is tens mission and this is ones mission. So the tens machine, if one coin put in the tens machine, it gives 10 chocolates at a time. But ones machine gives only 1 chocolate. So that's why here the Raji put 5 coins no. So 5 times 50. But Suja Suja also put 5 times. But each time ones machine gives only 1 chocolate. So that's why the Raji got 50 chocolates. And Suja got 5 chocolates. Now turn to next page. Page number 30. Let us look at the digits 2 in the number 28. Okay, here given numbers children 2 and 8. 2 and 8. It is in the tens place of the number. Okay, first you have to check children where the number 2. Yes, 2 is in ones place or tens place. Yes, 2 is in tens place children. So its face value 2 says that there are 2 tens in it. So we can say that in 28 2 tens and 8 ones. Yes children, 2 tens and 8 ones. So now face value is 2. So now we write the face value and place value of two children. Face value and place value. Face value and place value. So just now we discussed now children, what means face value? Yes, face value means just you have to write the value of the digit itself. Just write same digit. So face value of 2 is only 2. Okay, face value of 2 is only 2. So now we have to write the place value. So what means place value? So place value is always depends its place. Okay, place value always depends its place. Yes, you have to check children. Here 2 is in the tens place. Am I correct? Yes, 2 is in the tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20. So how we are reading this number children? 28. So why we are reading this 2 as 20? Because here 2 is in tens place. So we can read 2 as 20. The place value of 2 is 20. Okay, place value of 2 is 20. Next. Now let us look at the digit 2 in 32. Okay, here given one more number 3 to 32. Okay, 3 to 32. Now shall we check? It is in the ones place of the number. So where the number 2 here children? At the first 2 is in tens place in before number. In 28 2 is in tens place. But here 2 is in ones place. If 2 is in 28 means how can we read children? We read this as 28. But now here 2 is in ones place. So how can we read this number? We can read this as 32. Okay, read this as 32. So it is 2 is in ones place. Its place value 2 tells us that there are 2 ones in it. Okay, now we will write face value. Yes, what is the face value of 2 children? Yes, face value means we have to write same digit now. Write 2. Now coming to the place value. Yes, what is the place value of 2? So where the number 2 here? Yes, 2 is in only ones place. So we can say the place value of 2 is only 2. Okay children? So here you can check the place value and face value of the ones digit is same. If the digit is in ones place, the place value and face values are same. Okay, face value and place value of the ones digit numbers are same. Here in ones place 2 is there children. Face value of 2 is 2 and place value of 2 is also 2. For example, 46. Ones place, tens place. So what is the face value of 6? So 6 is in. So face value means we have to write same now children. So face value of 6 is 6. Now write place value also children. Yes, what is the place value of 6? 6 is in ones place. So the place value of 6 is also 6. So here we can say that the place value and face value and place value of ones place digits are same. So but in tens place it's different children. Yes, what is the face value of 4? So write same, no, it's 4 only. Now what is the place value of 4? I am asking place value children. Here 4 is in the tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40. Okay, place value of 4 is 40. So here we can say that the face value and place value of ones place digits are same. Next, turn to next page. So now first here, the face value of 2 is in the same in both the numbers. Its place value not the same. The face value of a digit never changes. The place it takes in a number helps to find its place value. So face value helps to find the place value of a number. Next, observe 2.5 children, page number 31. Fill in the blanks with the face values and place values of the digits to get the number formed by them. One has been done for you. Okay, here in the tens place 4 is there, and in ones place 2 is there. Okay, in tens place 4 and in ones place 2. So face value of 4. So face means we have to write same, no children. So face value of 4 is only 4. Next, what is the place value of 4, children? Place value of 4. Okay, place value of 4. So where the number 4 here? Here 4 is in tens place. Am I correct, children? 4 is in tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40. Okay, but its face value is 4. Wherever its number, face value is same. We have to write same. Okay, this is face value. Next, face value of 2. So what is the face value of 2, children? So face value of 2 is only 2. We have to write same digit now. Next, place value of 2. So what is the place value of 2? Here 2 is in the ones place. So the place value of 2 is only 2. Okay, the place value of only 2 is 2. So here we can say that the place value of 4 is 40 and the place value of 2 is 2. It's 40 plus 2, 42. Here the given number is 42. Okay, children. So once again I am repeating. Face value means just you have to write same digit. Okay, you have to write the same digit. Now coming to the place value, you have to identify the place first. For example, here 4. You have to check the 4 is in ones place or tens place. Yes, here 4 is in tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40. Okay, the place value of 4 is 40. So like that you have to complete next one, children. So here given 3 no. 33 here given, you have to complete this one. You have to write face value and place values of this number, face value and place value of number 33. And this is about today's class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.